An intelligent complement is a technological device that can be adapted to make people's lives easier, more comfortable and more practical. If you are a fan of smart devices, pay attention to these tools that will be very useful in different aspects of your daily life. This technology advances exponentially, reaching a demonstrated impact with many functionalities, collecting data of various kinds such as the number of steps taken each day, the quality of sleep or heart rate, facilitating the lives of families, companies, and institutions. Among its main advantages is its size. They are usually small, easy to carry, not heavy, and they are compatible with smartphones and laptops. Group different tools in the same device, in the same way, and customize according to your own needs. Personal life. Notification information of calls or emails about time, calories burned, moods, and reminders about an appointment. Companies. Business managers can know if their employees have timely breaks, if they suffer from stress, assess occupational safety risks, and have important personnel data. Home. There are numerous objects that can turn your home into a smart home. Locks that control who enters the house or locate your keys when you can't find them. Amazon has developed voice-controlled hands-free assistants that, by just telling you to play music, make calls, read recipes, among other activities. Smart bulbs can also be found in the market that can be controlled from an application installed on the cell phone. Sport. There are several devices that facilitate the execution of a sport, such as smart bracelets, which allows you to know your heart rate and pulsations. The smart scales are another complement to maintain the ideal weight, also measuring fat, muscle mass, offering useful information for training. No doubt there are many alternatives available. Whatever the need of each one is to look for the most appropriate and the most useful.